Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be completing the pre-work for completing approval process management Superbadge unit. So just scroll down and click on developer edition org with special configuration. So just click on it. After that we'll be landing here. Here give the first name. I'll give my channel. After that give a working email ID. Okay, after giving a working email ID, just select a role. I'll select developer. Give a company name. I'll give NA. Select a country. I'll select India. After that, I'll give a postal and the username you can give in the email format. I'll give okay. Now click on this. This has already been taken, so I'll give a number with it. Yeah, after that click on sign me up. We'll wait for a while. After that it will take time, so you will get the mail in the email ID, in the registered email ID which we have given. So after few times we will get a mail with the subject welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. So just click on this verify account. After clicking we will be landing here. So just click on reset password. We'll wait for a while. Yeah, here click on OK. Here give new password. Okay, I will confirm it. Yeah, so once it's matched, I will give this. You can give a security question. After that, click on change password. After that, come to the place from where we have started this. Then scroll down, and here 3 dots are there. So just click on it, and after that, click on connect org. Here we'll go to the mail ID. We'll copy the username which we have given. After that, we'll paste it here and write the password. Okay, then click on OK. Then click on allow. We'll wait for a while. Then click on yes, save it. So this was the prerequisite to complete these challenge. As you can see, the bit@company.com has came here. Thank you for watching, guys.